Welcome to Dan's Messy Garage. It's a real mess. Always is a mess. Working on a 2016 Polaris Indy 600. And the speedometer's not working. I got online, I was reading about there's a speedometer sensor down here hooked onto the drive shaft. And they say if you over grease that fitting there, that it can clog up the sensor for speedometer. I did recently grease that, so I thought I'd check it out. Oh, by the way, I haven't ridden this sled yet. Let me try again. I bought this thing in June, and I rode it today, maybe a mile, just down my street, up to the corner and back. Speedometer wasn't working. So I started looking, like I said, online, blah, blah. I was going to take that apart. And then I came and wiggled the wires here, and it's unplugged. And if you look inside there, get a light. That purple thing, that's the other part of the plug. I think what happened is somebody had the air box off of this and pulled on that plug, or didn't get it set correct, or, well, hell, it's possible somebody just unplugged this so the speedometer wouldn't work to keep the miles low. I don't know. But I'm going to try to get that plug out of there, plug it back in, and see if it works. I would much rather have that be a plug problem than taking all that apart, because I understand you got to loosen the track at least, more than likely take it out of the tunnel to take the two back bolts out so it can drop down and allow you to get this thing back together once you take it apart. The clutch comes off easy. I'm using the Polaris clutch tool that comes with it. You just screw this in, and that spreads the sheaves apart so you can get the belt on and off easy. That's a real nice feature. I wish my old Arctic Cats had those, because there's always a pain to change belts. But on this one, it's a 2016. It's the Pro Ride chassis. I think they came out with it 2012. Easy to take clutch off so far. I did have to take a bolt out of the side panel so I can pull that out of the way to get access to taking it, so the clutch could come off there. Alright, so I'm gonna set this camera down and see if I can get that plug out of there somehow. I don't know where I can put the camera though. Now you guys just might have to hang out here while I play with it, because I can't hold the camera and do this at the same time. I gotta bend or flex that air box out of the way to get that connector to come past the rail. Almost. Come on. Come on. Well, I got it past there. There's just not much length to that cable. Yep. I think I got enough to plug this in. Now it looks like I'm going to have to do some more work on this, because the wires, I think it's wrapped around something inside here. and it's not allowing me to pull it out really far enough to get, you know, get this on there so you can get it off. Because right now, if I shove that in there, there's no way you're going to be able to unplug that. All right, to be continued. Bye.